Hello everyone, this is Christy from Xiamen Danke. Technology changes life. Danke is the leading solution provider for the video phone, home automation, IP public intercom, and intelligent parking guidance. Our mission is to build a smart and secure home with the latest technology for you. So come to IFA Global Markets to see what we can do for you. See you there!
Hello, I'm glad to introduce Hubei Qinchu Household Appliances Manufacturing Company, one of the leading suppliers specialized in kitchen appliances, fruit ice cream maker and salad maker. How to DIY delicious healthy ice cream and salad at home. Come and join us at IFA 2018. Find it.
Hi, this is Ouyang from Ningbo Jide Electric Appliances. We are the professional refrigerator and washing machine manufacturer. We hope to have the chance to cooperate in the near future.